the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Shawntas Way here today. And I'm sorry that I'm talking kind of low. My daughter's asleep right now. Okay, so today I'm going to be trying out the Creme of Nature Argan Oil Flexible Styling Snot. I think this is like kind of piggybacking off of the Gorilla Snot. Well, I know that it is because it has like, you know, they weren't really creative with the name. So the fact that it has the snot and it's kind of like that snot texture, I guess, it's supposed to be piggybacking off of the Gorilla Snot. The thing about the Gorilla Snot is I have not tried that. I've never been interested to try it because the ingredients in it is just like, I don't know. Now the ingredients in this particular like snot or whatever, I was about to call it Gorilla Snot. Creme of Nature Snot is actually still not good. They still have a lot of stuff in here that I've never put in my hair. But for the purposes of this video, I'm going to go ahead and try it out for you guys, just in case you guys are wondering how it works. And so yeah, I ordered mine off of Amazon. I have to put the price of it down in the description box. And I can smell it through the packaging. So let's go ahead and, yeah, as soon as you open it up, you can smell it. So the texture is like this thick, look at that, oh my god. Oh no guys, I'm kind of scared. But before I put on the Gorilla Snot, I always like to spray my hair, so that's what I'm gonna do. Normally I like to put a leave-in conditioner on my hair, but I wanna make sure that I'm not putting anything on my hair that's gonna alter the product, or just because my hair is so dry right now. Ugh. Okay, my hair is well moisturized now with water. And I was gonna do like a half ponytail, but I think I'm gonna do I'm gonna do like a middle ponytail. It smells so good, but the ingredients are so bad. It makes me not want to put it in my hair. But let's go ahead and try this out. As you see, it's coming out super thick. Not super thick. So I've poured out too much. And oh yeah, I got some comments from you guys on Instagram because I posted this on my Instagram story. And a lot of you were telling me, I did get some comments asking or saying that I should not use a lot of this stuff because it gets really sticky. My hair is really dirty anyway, so I'm going to be washing it very soon. So I'm not really worried about it. Alright, so right off the bat, the texture of it is very sticky. Oh, you can't see it, but like when I pull my hands apart, it's like I have glue on my hands. Let's go ahead. I'm so scared. Oh my god, this stuff, it's not even off my hand. It is thick. This is some thick stuff. So I just laid down a lot of my hair. So I'm going to put some more on the back of my hair. This stuff, okay. Ooh, my hair is so sticky right now. I have it in my hair and it definitely lays down hair. Like, no doubt about it. Like it lays down your hair. I don't have any flyaways and I haven't even brushed my hair yet. So that's a good thing. I'm gonna go ahead and brush my hair. I'm gonna use my Tangle Teaser to kind of like smooth it down because my hair is super curly right now. Oh my god, this stuff is thick. My hair is super shiny. I don't even think I'm gonna need a scarf to lay down. Like normally I put a scarf on to lay down my edges. I don't think I'm gonna need one because this stuff is working so good. This stuff gave my hair a lot of shine. Wow. What? Okay, I take back the first comment of me only using this for the video. I might be using it again. You know, those days where I'm just like having an emergency. My hair was so dry before putting this stuff on. Not that it moisturized it, but it did bring a shine to it. Alright, so yeah, this stuff is bomb. It's just so sticky. Like on the container, I got some on the container and it's like, it feels like I got glue on there. Okay. I'm gonna try to attempt to lay my baby hairs down with this. My baby hairs doesn't do well with like really tough, well, extra hold type of gel, but we'll try it out. I don't know if it's because I'm trying to use a huge brush or if this stuff is just so tough that my baby hairs is not coming out. Like they're barely coming out. You know how when you put glue on your hands and then you let it dry and that white stuff starts coming up? That's what's on my hands right now. My hands are, I want to go wash them. They're very sticky. If you are looking for something to hold your hair down, this is the answer. It's a soft hold. It's not, I wouldn't say it was like that crunchy, like, oh my gosh, I have like tons and tons of gel in my hair. I don't get that from this product at all. It just holds your hair down. Let's go ahead and get to the pros and cons. So let's start off with the pros. The pros is that if you're looking for a Gorilla Snot, like a Snot product, this is a really good one to get. To me, it looks like I don't have a ton of gel in my hair. Like my hair just is nice and slicked down like this. So I like that type of natural look. And it's not that shine where you're like, okay, she has like a bunch of products in her hair. It's like that shine like, oh, okay, like she really has moisturized hair. Like that type of shine. And they say it on the product. It says it provides an exotic shine. So definitely very good at that. Another plus is that it does not have any sulfate, silicones, mineral oil, or petroleum, which is really good, especially for a product where it's trying to give you like that snot type of product. It's really good it doesn't have those ingredients in it. But yeah, we'll get to the other part. And it does say, it does exactly what it says on the front. It smooths your hair. It does smooth your hair. My hair is very smooth and it wasn't like that at first. It also controls, it says that it controls edges. Yeah, it does, because I tried to pull out my baby hairs and that stuff was like not coming out. And tames frizz. So it does every single thing that it says that it does, and that's really good. Another good thing that I noticed is that when I put it on, it immediately does its job. Like as soon as I put it on, it starts to smooth down my hair. So I don't have to keep brushing and applying like water and other products and stuff like that in order to get the desired look. It literally does its job the minute that it touches my hair. Another thing that I found that was really good about this is the smell. It smells really good. I know it's an artificial type of smell, but it smells really good. Like it has that perfume type smell. Yeah, it smells really, really good. And I still have it on my hand. Okay, so now for the cons. I hate the ingredients in this. The ingredients that stick out to me the most is the red dye and the yeahhhh dye in there. I hate, those are like the worst. Like any product that has that in there, or any food product, hair product, anything that has those two, like any type of dye, blue dye or anything like that, I'm just like, I hate that. Like that gives me a headache knowing that that's in here. So the ingredients, even though it doesn't have any sulfate, silicones, mineral oil, or any of that stuff, it still does not have good ingredients. Like you're still not getting a product that has really good ingredients in it. But at the same time, it is like that Gorilla Snot. So what do you really expect? You know, it's like not supposed to be all natural. Another thing that I did not like about it is the residue that it leaves on your hands after you're done with it. Like, I have to go wash my hands. It has that glue type of residue on my hands where, you know, you put glue on your hands and you don't wash it off and you have that white stuff. That's what's on my hands. Are like sticky, and then you can tell because it's like on the product from me squeezing it out. Another thing that I did not like is the texture of it. I can't get over that like snot feeling. I'm not used to it, I guess, but I just don't like it. I don't like the texture. The texture is very, very, very disgusting. Another thing is I could never see myself using this on a wash and go. I haven't seen anyone do their hair in a wash and go with this product, but I'm pretty sure there are people who do it like that, and I cannot use these type of products on my wash and goes. They will be stiff as hell. And also the ingredients that is in this product, I would never do it in my wash and go because I keep my wash and goes for a long time. I will only use this flexible styling Snot close to wash day because of the ingredients. So yeah, even on a twist out, I would not use this. Anything that stays in my hair as a protective style, and which I'll be keeping for like a week or two, no, I won't. I will not be doing it with this. But if you're a person who does not care about the product's ingredients and things like that, then you will probably like this on your twist outs and stuff like that because it does have a really good hold. That was my review on the flexible holding Snot. Wait. Let's do that again. Flexible styling Snot. If you are been wondering if you should get it, if you should pick it up, yes and no. No if you are really crazy about ingredients, and yes if you don't care about ingredients. So yes if you're just getting it just for when you want to have a slick back ponytail or something like that, and you can just wash out your hair the next day or so. That was my review. If you guys have tried this, let me know down in the comment section and tell me your thoughts, because I would like to know. Everyone doesn't have the same hair, and it's really good to have everyone's opinion. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I apologize for being so melatonin in this video because, like I said, my daughter's sleeping, so I can't be upbeat. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!